Hey guys, welcome back to our series of file manipulation in Python. And in the previous videos, we have discussed so far some of the most basic and simple access modes of a file and how to manipulate the file using some normal standard modes such as read, write, and append, and then the other modes which have a feature or two added to it. And in this video we've basically in previous videos we basically covered, you can say, the basics of file manipulation. But a thing to be noted about those previous videos was that those videos were limited to text files with a single line or appending a single line to an already existing file with a single line, you can say. But and for the read option, it would read a file with only a single line, and we know that it reads in Python, it will read a file until it reaches the end of a character, and then it will treat it as the end of a line. So how do we make sure it reads more than just one line for every end of line character that it encounters? And for that we'll be seeing today the read lines option, which is basically putting the read function in a loop so that it reads multiple times over and over again until a line is reached. So in this video, let's just make a file first, ex.txt, and let's just add some text here. This is a Python course. We're learning file manipulation, file handling, and this is an interesting language. Alright, let's just say for now we have these three lines in this. Now obviously the same goes. F is equals to open, and then the file path ex.txt, and then R, and then right, while true. I mean, as long as the read is line is, as long as the loop is true, I mean there is no line break, it is supposed to read a line and print that line, and if not line, then simply just break and yep, F close. Okay, this is it, and this will just generate our lines as it will just print that whatever is in that text file over and over again. Let's just see. This is a Python course. We're learning file handling. This is an interesting language, right? And if I just, let's just say for the sake of adding more lines, what happens now? So there you go, that was for a single line, and if you want to read multiple lines, you just have to put this whole thing in a loop, and it will keep on reading a line until it reaches the end of character or it terminates, right? And let us remember the one of our previous videos in which we used the split method, and let's just say those things there exists some data in this file which is a list, but you want those lists to be printed separately. For example, I want 12, 13, 14, and then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20, 21, 22, 23. Right, let's just say I want these to be printed separately. So how will we do that?